Good morning. In the previous classes, we have learned about the electric field intensity, principle of superposition of the electric field, means many much about the charge, and this time we will study the dipole moment, electric dipole and electric dipole moment. Now, as the word itself suggests, dipole, that means di means two and pole means the two ends of equal and opposite nature. Here, in case of the electric dipole, the same character we will observe, that is the two equal and opposite charges separated by a certain distance, then it is termed as the electric dipole. Look here, that it is an arrangement of charge equal and opposite. Equal by the magnitude and opposite by the nature. That means here it is the minus q and it is q, which is separated by a certain distance, and that distance we consider as the 2a, and this distance 2a is known as length of the dipole. Length of the dipole. Now here length of the dipole is a vector quantity. That means it is a vector quantity which we will write later on. So here the length of the dipole is a vector quantity. That means there is a tendency of the direction given by the minus to the plus, or minus to from the minus charge to the plus charge, and that is the dipole, length of the dipole. With the charge itself is represent the dipole moment. Now first of all we come to know that it is a system, that complete is the system of two equal and opposite charges separated by a certain distance, that is of 2a, and that certain distance is the length of the dipole known as the electric dipole. So first we write the definition of the electric dipole. It is the system of two equal and opposite charges separated by certain distance, and that distance we consider as a length of the dipole. That distance is the length of the dipole. Now here we will write this. It is an arrangement, it is the system now of two equal and opposite charges separated by a certain distance, and that is to a certain distance, and that certain distance is known as the length of the dipole. Length of the dipole. Here this is known as the electric dipole. Now few points which we must remember, that the net value of the charge in the electric dipole is 0. We can see here the net value of charges in the dipole is 0. How we see that? Let us suppose it is the charge q is here, that q is equal to q plus minus of the q, that is equal to net value is the 0. So in the dipole the charge, though it show the behavior of electric field in any point of the region, where it is in the axial point or equatorial point or any general point, but if we see the net value of the charge in the dipole, we will find that the net value is the 0. One thing we come to know, first of all, it is an arrangement of two equal and opposite charges separated by a certain distance, and in this, when it is the system of two charges. So this charge value, this dipole is always exist in a short range. It is not so that the charges are very far and the distance we will take is the very large. On that case, dipole will not create. That means it is the of short value, short distance. Dipole, arrangement of the dipole in short distance. That is first point, and second, the arrangement of dipole or electric dipole or electric dipole in short distance. It is not considered as a large distance to with the charges. So that is the arrangement is short distance, and both the charges are stationary here. That make a system, though they have the opposite nature, they are stationary to make a dipole. Opposite nature by the same value, it will attract to each other, but not so. It is both the charges are stationary, then it is termed as the electric dipole. Now, what about the length of the dipole? Third, that length of the dipole, which we have considered as a two-way vector, is the vector quantity. Length of the dipole is the dipole, that is, here we consider as a two-way vector, is the vector quantity. That means length, that is the magnitude, but the direction start from the negative, the direction or the measurement start from the negative. That is the direction from negative to the positive, and its direction from negative charge to the positive charge. Negative charge, we can write here negative charge to positive charge. So that is the third point to remember, that is the length of the dipole is the vector quantity, and its measurement, its direction will start from negative to the positive. So few points we come to know about the nature or about the dipole, electric dipole. First one, it is a system of two equal and opposite charges that make a dipole. Second, the net value of the charge in a dipole is 0. And third, the arrangement of electric dipole is not so large, so having the distance, greater distance. It is of short range. So that make a dipole again. Here, the length of the dipole is a vector quantity, and the direction of this vector from the negative charge to the negative positive charge. Now, regarding the types of dipole, see the types of dipole. Here, types of dipole or electric dipole, we can say. Electric dipole. Now here we will see the one is the finite dipole, and another one is the ideal dipole. What the sense here? Finite means the two charges having a certain distance, and that distance much greater than the radius of the charge, that is the 2a vector. What I am saying here, remember, the dipole has a certain distance. Then it is known as the finite dipole. Dipole, that means from the center, it has from the center O a distance to the charge plus q and again a distance to the charge minus q. So it has a certain distance between the two charges, positive one and negative. Between the positive and negative charge, then it is termed as the finite dipole. Whereas if we consider the ideal dipole, almost the separation between the two charges, one is the negative, another is the positive, let it be the positive one. The separation between these two charges is zero. Separation between the charges are zero. Then it is termed as the ideal dipole. That means whatever the separation is almost zero, or we can say that radius of the sphere is greater than that of the length of the dipole. So it makes the two behavior of the dipole, one with the finite length, with the finite distance between the two charges, it is the finite dipole, and no separation between the charge, then it is termed as the ideal dipole. Now, so all about this electric dipole. Now we will see the electric dipole moment. So here, regarding the electric dipole moment, electric dipole moment, we will see the electric dipole moment. Electric dipole moment, and it is represented by p vector. Means it is a vector quantity. That means it has a direction also. Now, first of all, what is the electric dipole moment? We have seen that the dipole consists by the two charges. One is the negative and another is the positive of same value, q plus q, and they have the separation, that is of the 2a vector from between the two charges, and this system is the electric dipole. Now we are concerned with the electric dipole moment, and electric dipole moment is the p vector. It is the product of either of the charge by the magnitude and the length of the dipole is the dipole moment. We can say that it is the product of either of the charge and the length of the, or we can say that the either of the magnitude of the charge, because here negative and positive two sign are here, either of the magnitude of the charge and the length of the dipole, and it is defined as it is by the symbol is the p vector. So dipole moment is the p vector, and that is the charge to that of the dipole, length of the dipole. Now here, length of the dipole is a vector quantity that represents the dipole, nature of the dipole or the direction of the dipole moment from negative to the positive. Since we write it as the electric dipole moment, dipole moment is a vector quantity. Here, in the simple way, it is a vector quantity because it is the product of the vector, and here the vector is the length of the dipole. Vector quantity, and its direction is from negative to, and its direction is from negative charge to the positive charge. Or we can say that the electric dipole moment has the direction along the direction of electric field, the direction of the length of the dipole, and it is against the electric field direction. So here, or the direction of electric dipole moment is along the direction of length of the dipole. Length of the dipole. Or we may say that is this dipole moment, which is electric dipole moment, which is vector, it is against the field direction. Field direction always from positive to negative. That is the direction of the field. Positive, it will generate from the positive and terminate to the negative. That is the field direction. And the dipole moment has the direction opposite. It moves from the negative to the positive. So we can write the direction of the dipole moment, electric dipole moment, is against the electric field direction. The direction or the direction of electric dipole moment is against the direction of electric field. Somewhere we can understand by the way that commonly we move in the mathematics from negative to the positive, in the direction of the negative to the positive. That means if we consider the side is negative, here it is the positive. So in this way we understand that we move from negative to the positive, and that will give the dipole moment. So number of ways we understand the direction of the electric dipole moment. That direction is represented by the length of the dipole, or we can say that the direction is from negative to positive is against the electric field direction, or in general we can say we will move from negative to the positive, so it will represent the dipole moment, direction of the dipole moment. So what we have learned that a direction of the electric dipole moment is the product of either of the magnitude of charge and the length of the dipole. It is a vector quantity and it has a direction. That direction is from negative to the positive, which is against the electric field direction. Now we have two more things to know, that is what is unit and simple way, the dimension. For unit and dimension of electric dipole moment, and that is unit. For SI unit we have seen it is the product of charge and the length, so we write it the SI unit of electric dipole moment is the P. Electric dipole moment P is the Coulomb meter. Or in the dimension we will write, for dimension that P dimension is in case of the charge m naught, here charge is the at, and for meter it is the length l. So it has the dimension m naught a t l. So this is all about the electric dipole and electric dipole moment. Now we will see here the effectiveness of the electric dipole or the electric dipole moment. What is the effect? How we understand the effectiveness of the electric dipole moment? Effectiveness of electric dipole moment. Let's suppose here is the charge negative and here is the charge positive, and these are separated by a certain distance of, let it be the L distance. This charge is the minus q, here it is the plus q. Now suppose this is placed in an electric field and the field direction is from above to the downward direction. This field is the uniform field, and we have to study also the uniform field. So here it is the positive charge and here the negative, and this will give the uniform electric field. Uniform electric field. Now, as we know that whenever charge is placed in electric field, the electrostatic force acts, and that force is acting in the direction. It is negative, it will move towards the positive. Here it will move towards the negative. So we find here that the positive and having the negative direction in either of the forces, and the magnitude of the force, they make a couple, that magnitude of the force is equal to minus q into E vector. Here it is the force, that is the F is equal to q into E vector. Just think that the field is uniform, field is constant. Uniform is that is constant. It is not changing. But if we change the value of the charge, let's suppose here is the charge, that another field we will make here, that of the same value, same electric field is here, uniform electric field, and in this uniform electric field E vector, this uniform electric field, that a small charge of q by 2 minus q by 2 of the length of L by 2. Here it is the minus, here it is the plus. So again it experiences a force, and the force value is what? Here the force will change. F is equal to the length of this electric field is constant, so it is the E by 2 vector. Here it is the F is equal to minus q E by 2 vector. So these two, again in the same field, the effectiveness will reduce since the charge value will decreases. If we consider here the same field with the greater charge, let it be the 2q minus, here it is minus 2q, and another is the plus 2q. So here the field is again of the same value, electric field is constant. Now the force acting here is greater compared to this all, and that force is here minus 2q into E vector. Here it is the q, that force is equal to, here it is 2q into E vector. let it be the force number. Here is the force F1, here it is the force F2, and here it is the force F3. These are the force, couple of the force acting. What we observe, there is the motion from, it will rotate, and that so the torque turning effect, it will move, turn from negative to the positive, and align. It had a tendency to align along the direction of electric field. If we place and observe all the three, what we observe, that the strength of the force is much greater here in this arrangement where the charge is greater, the field is constant, and here the force is comparatively less, and here the force is much less in the three cases. That will give the effect how much each dipole show in the constant electric field. That means the effectiveness depends upon the two things. One is that charge value, and also with the length of the dipole. If we change the length of the dipole here also, we get the effectiveness will change. So effectiveness of the dipole depends upon the nature of the charge as well as the length of the dipole also here. Length of the dipole, for that the dipole moment P is equal to that Q into, here we see that the length is the L, that Q into L. The dipole moment along the length of the dipole. Here we will see the dipole moment is much greater. The field, the force is here greater, and this is the 2, and length, suppose the length will increase here. Okay? On that case, what we observe here, the length will be double. So on that case, 2Q into 2L, and that is if the length will double here, suppose we consider the length to be double of that of the L value, or we may write like this. The charge is here, suppose negative charge. The length will be the 2L, and the separation, that is the separation between is the 2L. So here the 2Q charge minus, and all these are placed in this electric field. The force acting, that force is equal to F that we have taken. One is the positive, another is the negative. So this is the nature of the force, it is the couple of the force acting here. So dipole moment, here it is the 4Q into L, that is the dipole moment. Now here it is the half. If the length will reduce to that of the L by 2, and the charge is also reduced, so dipole moment is equal to Q by 2 into, here also into L by 2. That is the dipole moment is equal to, here it is the QL by 4. In both the relation we understand that the effectiveness depends upon the charge of the dipole and the length of the dipole. So today we study about this, the electric dipole, what actually it is. It is an arrangement, about the arrangement of two equal and opposite charges separated by a certain distance. Then we come to know about the electric dipole moment, and it is the product of the either of the charge, magnitude of the charge, and the length of the dipole. And after that we understand the effectiveness, how much it show the momentum in the electric field, and that momentum that depends upon the two factors. One is the length of the dipole and the charge. Here I write this thing also, that the effectiveness depends upon the depends on, number one, the length of the dipole, and another one is the, and number two, that is the magnitude of the charge. Magnitude of the charge. So dipole shows the nature, momentum in a field, or in the next session, next class, we will see the nature of the, though it has a zero value of the magnitude of the charge, it is a combination of the charge, it is a system, but it have a effect of electric field in anywhere throughout its or throughout the dipole. That we will study in the next class, that electric field along the axial, electric field along the equatorial, and electric field in general point. So today we come to know about the electric dipole and dipole moment with their effectiveness. Thank you.